I was telling them Gina was dusty as hell when she got 722 followers. Just imagine how many followers you would get if I said that I liked you, baby. Hello my loves, Send out here coming at you with another video, and in this video I just want to talk about something really quick. Last video that you guys saw about the little lady, I'm not gonna say her name, the little lady or whatever, I guess I came off mad. Well, let's get into the story. This is actually what happened. As you guys know, I was able to walk away from the hair industry at 28 going on 29 years old very successfully, okay? Now I am the person that people book before they go see a dermatologist. So I had so many different people like, hey, Sin, what do you think about Gina Curl? What do you think about this? And I'm like, what is that? And I am so... new fads and stuff, I get over it. So I didn't look into it at first, and then when I saw the way that black women were talking to each other in the middle of a freaking pandemic and in the middle of everything that is going on in this country, I'm like, let me reach out to this woman because I'm pretty sure she'll kill all of this, because I'm sure she doesn't want this type of confusion, and she couldn't be purposely lying to them. They're just misunderstanding. So on January 27th, I wrote her and I said, hi, my name is Cynthia Smith. I'm a cosmetologist, herbalist, and trichologist, and I would love to talk to you about Gina Curl on my channel. I have a few questions that my audience needs answered along with myself. Let me know if you're available. So someone, her, wrote me back in third person on January 27th and said, oh, perfect. The best way to reach her, if you have the time, email us at, and then her email. This way you can message her directly and it'll be much faster. I said, thanks. Right after that, I went ahead and sent her the email, but I'll pop it on the screen right here. She did not respond to me any that day. So you cannot play me. I've been in the game too long. I've been around on social media before Instagram was Instagram, okay? She had been posting all day. I knew what it was, so I wrote back. I'm like, hey, you know, basically you can read it yourself. Asking her if whether or not she was going to write back. Like, hey, can you tell her that I emailed? In other words, girl, go ahead and respond to the damn email, okay? So she then responded and said, hi, Sin, I would love to chat. Why don't we start off with a phone call? I'm available Saturday after 2, Sunday, Monday, or Wednesday. Anytime, just let me know what works best for you. Looking forward to sharing. So when I said she didn't want to meet on camera, what I meant was, reading between the lines, you can see it as face value of like, oh, well, like maybe she was just busy. No, baby. She knew that she had to get her story together, because every time you see her talk, it's the same exact thing. So yeah, anywho, hi. If you would only like to chat verbally, I won't need to waste too much of your time. I have a few questions I need answered from my audience. I'm a cosmetologist, herbalist, and trichologist, so we're in the same field. My viewers and fans are under the impression that your process is nothing like JHERI Curl and the brand that replaced them. Black women are under the impression that it's a different service from the process that we have been doing since the early 90s. It's the same process. You break the bonds in the hair and then you reform them around a perm rod in a new formation, just as the JHERI Curl and those that came before and after it. I know people that still do it with beautiful, healthy hair. There is no difference. Relaxers, Japanese straightening, JHERI Curl, Wave Nouveau, it's all the same chemical process within the hair shaft. Your technique is causing negativity and confusion within the community because there is no transparency. Black women are fighting with their stylists because they believe your logic over what we're telling our clients, which is fact. I would like to know if I am missing something. I've seen the process and it looks exactly the same. I do all forms of bond transformations and I know for a fact that this is the same. I'm coming to you first. I've had too many emails about it. I must address it, but I'm reaching out to you first. Is there some type of transparency you can shed? Black women are fighting with their clients over a lie. I'm sure that was not your intention, but this is the cause of the lack of transparency. I would like clarity. I would like to clarify. That is the message that I sent her, and I received no response whatsoever. Once I didn't receive a response from her, I knew that I was still gonna have to do something, because it was annoying. Like, the amount of DMs I was getting, people were having this argument all over social media about it. And then magically I get this DM from her after I went ahead and posted the video. I didn't post my video to attack this woman. I posted this video. I made this upload to keep us from attacking each other. So you clearly saw this woman never wrote me back. And so January 31st, after I made my initial post, because she was not worried about me, she didn't think that I would be able to cause a ripple. So on January 31st at 4:28 a.m. she said, by any chance did you get my email, because I haven't heard anything back from you. This woman did not email me. And then she says, I'm just now reading your post and I don't remember refusing to do a video chat with you. How about this? Here's my cell phone number. Call me anytime. If I'm available, I'll talk, and I hope you can understand. Okay? Yeah. Mind you, at this point, it's been like a couple of days that I've been trying to get in contact with this woman, and it's like 4 something in the morning. I was not about to deal with it then, but I was like, okay, let me just go ahead, talk to this lady real quick on the phone before my kids wake up. You guys already saw the whole pattern. I was never rude. I was never disrespectful. I never attacked her via email, via text message, nothing. I was just very blunt and straightforward, saying that there is a little bit of confusion. She knew exactly what I wanted to talk about. She knew what the exact questions that I had was, everything, and she knew not to give me no BS, because I'm a cosmetologist, a herbalist, and a trichologist already. I'm not trying to throw that up in people's face. That's how we let each other know. Skip over all the small talk, because I know. And then this is what happened.
Hello.
Hello, this is Sin. Is it Gina? This is Sin from Instagram, social media.
Oh, hey, how are you? Hold on 1 second. Alexa, shut up. So let me make sure that I'm talking to the right person. This is _ my Sindal?
No, I am Sindal.
Oh, I am. I'm sorry.
You're fine.
What did I say? What did I say?
You said my, I think. It's okay.
Oh, yeah. How are you? So, why do you hate me so much?
Wait, what did you say? You said, why do I, okay, let's be.
Why do you hate?
Why do I hate? Okay, well, I'm glad you started with that. I don't know you at all. Let me tell you something. I don't know how y'all get down, but where I'm from, however you started off is how you end it. So I had the intentions of being respectful and professional. As you can see, all of my communication with her up until this point was that. But as soon as we get on the phone, you calling me a hater. So at this point, we are clearly no longer two professionals. We two grown women spitting real. So let's go. Now, you all only heard about 15 minutes of a 35-minute conversation. And if you look at that video, I have a screenshot that shows how long me and this woman were on the phone. When I hung up on her, it was on a part where she said some really disrespectful stuff about women that came before me who built the foundation that I now stand on, okay? But you guys don't know nothing about that, because I'm the bad guy in this. But only thing that she said to me, I have not talked to this woman since that day the video ended, and the first thing she said to me was, thank you, we gained 722 followers since your attacks, because apparently I was attacking. Okay, my response was, I'm educating my people. I'm not attacking you by telling the truth, sweetheart. You're bragging about people believing your lies. I'm not worried about you, grandma. Bring back the JHERI Curl girl. And then I thought about it a little bit more. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of pissed me off, so I went back again and I said, you're a hairdresser. I'm a cosmetologist, herbalist, and trichologist. You do not want to play these games with me. I'm not making videos about you, nor did I add the worst that you said, because I didn't want to hurt your business. You know the part about black women and relaxers being rubbed into the scalp, then the apology and correction. Learn about the bonds that hold the hair together, lady. Do not write me again unless you're ready to talk again and play the other 15 minutes of our conversation. I don't play games, and if you want to go there, we can. Let me know when you're ready to talk again or stay out of my inbox. Let's be very clear. This is not a race thing. Right is right and wrong is wrong, because for every black woman that is falling for this, yes, that's messed up. Black women are falling for this in the middle of a pandemic. Younger women who don't know any better are being taken advantage of. Yes, for sure. But to me, the people who are really given a run for their money are the people that are paying this woman $3,000 to learn a $45 service. It is insane. The technique that you are paying $3,000 to learn is no different from what you can learn on YouTube, and I've already proven it to you in the videos. It is no difference. Now, I only made this video the same way I make my videos about Olaplex versus Curl Smith. I make comparison videos all the time. For whatever reason, amongst ourselves, amongst us as black women, we want to attack. Why? I do not understand, but facts are facts. And I did not put this video out to stop anybody's business. I simply put the video out because a lot of my followers, subscribers, and clients were asking me for clarity. And here it is. So everybody that's Team Gina Curl, everybody that's sending me messages and stuff, listen, y'all do what y'all want to do. From now on here on my channel, all you guys are going to see is the type of content that the women who appreciate me ask for. If when it comes to products and is this good for our hair and is that good for our hair, don't ask me. All we doing is science. Don't ask me about no new product lines. Are they good and are they no? Because I'm not doing it. Because I dedicate my life to something and because I love something should not make me accessible to take hits from y'all for trying to protect y'all from people who are trying to come up off y'all. And if you can't see that this woman is coming up off y'all and she ain't said, oh, like that's the first time, this is the first time that I have heard from this woman since we hung up the phone. Since the end of that 35-minute video when she said the messed up stuff that I hadn't posted and I hung up the phone. When we got off the phone, I was like, I'm done with her. I'm done talking to her. I'm done. And then I hung up. And she was quiet on the phone. She waited for me to hang up because she was shook. She like shit. She didn't know how to take it because she didn't know whether or not I was going to post that full 35 minutes, and I didn't. So I love you guys so much, but from this point forward, please don't ever say that there are no hairstylists that's looking out for y'all. Don't say that there's a hairstylist that didn't have your back, because when the hairstylist that was out here that has y'all back, you attack the people that got your back for the people that's trying to take advantage of you. And like I said, I have stuff that I need, that I want, and I believe in general, regardless if a person is wrong or not, I'm not willing to have that type of energy being attracted towards me for people who wanted to attack me for defending them in the first place. So she don't have to worry about as long as she leave me alone and she don't send me no more messages like that. She don't have to worry about me posting the rest of the horrific things that she said about black women and older black hairstylists that have been doing hair for years, you know. Yeah, I love you guys. Make sure that if you haven't done so already, you are subscribed to my channel. For everybody that's here, that's been rocking with me for a long time and everything is like good and copacetic and you support me, I am so sorry that you had to listen to this, but it's something that I really wanted to address before Black History Month ended, because I don't want to deal with this again. I don't. And I am finishing up this series that I have on Annie Turnbow, because Annie Turnbow is about to get the credit that she deserves. I don't care what anybody has to say about how they feel about my personality. I'm going to stay authentic and true to who I am, regardless of how anybody feels about it. And yeah, you guys can believe whatever you want to believe. That woman is a freaking fraud, and she is using up black women for everything that they have and making a mockery out of the texture of our hair and black women and their insecurities. You guys can't see it because you're not in the industry, but I've been in the industry for 14 years and I know the game, and I also know what she said in the last 15 minutes of our conversation. So, you know, I love you guys so much. And until my next video, bye. I hope you get another 722 subscribers or followers because, yeah. By the way, you know what I'm saying? She make a little money. I'm make a little money too. You should know. Look, if you trying to do promo with the kid, this could go to show you that your girl could get some people to your door. You understand what I'm talking about? Look, I made a video talking about somebody I ain't even like, somebody I thought was dusty. I was telling them Gina was dusty as hell when she got 722 followers. Just imagine how many followers you would get if I said that I liked you, baby.